Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alert, never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. Change your whole perspective on the market, full of value, full of gems. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, see what's going on because the market is getting weirder and weirder by the day. As you guys can see us, everything around us is getting weirder. Things is about to get crazy. You're eventually about to go to these places. They're not going to be accepting cash. You're about to go to the ATM machine. They're going to be out of services. You're going to be calling the bank and to see what's going on with your money. They're going to tell you it's a wait because the traffic volume has increased drastically. You're going to try and go and purchase things with cash. You ain't going to be able to do so. You're going to be looking at your bank account like you already did way before this. Back in the 90s, back in the 2000s, when you looked at your bank account and you see 100,000 in it, you see 10,000 in it, you see a million in it, and you think the money actually there. It's not there. They done passed that money out to lenders, gave them to go get housing developments, also gave them out to get car loans, auto loans, business loans. They passed that money out, and the money they didn't pass out of yours, they put it into the market to draw the 8.5% that the market has already proven to do over the past 40 years. The money that they can't give out to get even more on return of your money, right? So now as these banking is crashing and everything's going on and everybody panic, go to the bank to try and get their money out of the bank. Guess what's going to happen? What's going to happen is the money that you see on your phone, the $100,000, that's not actually there. You be like, hey man, I'm trying to get my 90,000 out of the bank. They're like, well, sir, you already know before all this went on, you couldn't just call and get 100K out of the bank. You got to set up and schedule an appointment and have that money in place. They got to go grab that money out of the stock market, grab that money from this place in order to pay you your money because it's not actually there. How do you think that's not going to be the case as the world start to collapse and everybody try to get their money at once? Those people are like, oh, we don't have it. We in debt. Such and such owe us this, they owe us that. We done landed it out and we in the bind. Oh, shutting the doors. They closing the door on you. And then that's why they got the FDIC insured in place because they don't necessarily have to give you all your money just because it's in the bank. They only got to give you $250,000 of it. So you already know, man. I just had to get that out because that's gonna hit somebody and y'all gonna really understand what I mean. Things is getting crazy and the market is showing a reflection of it. What they is doing is having a bearish day, a bullish day, a bearish day, a bullish day, a bearish day, a bullish day, all in one fucking day. God forgive me, Lord, ain't me cuss from baby. All in one day though, they're having these type of days. So if you ain't very meticulous getting in and getting out at a specific key level, it's going to be looking very shabby and very ugly because this morning, looking as if what the market was about to do very well, right? Then all of a sudden, all hell break loose. It drops out of nowhere, and then it was just right back up. And I'm pretty sure around lunchtime it should be right back down. And then come power hour should be right back up. And you get what I'm saying, right? And this is exactly how they're going to keep the port from not making money during these times because by the time they get ready to sell the next day, it made the move they expected to make, but the move has already done been made, and now they letting it do the opposite. And they can't really necessarily continue to hammer the market down even more because in 2022, you got individual stocks down over 90% from 300 down to 10. It ain't much more you can do unless you're going to turn the whole market down to $0 or $1. Everything on a crazy sale that we'll never see in our lifetimes, right? So instead, they'll have to run stocks like Tesla from 120 to 220. So then whenever they crash it $100 they want to do it or $50, is really you're not thinking it was just at 120. So by crashing it half $60, it's still not putting it where it was. And that $60 crash or $80 crash at one time is going to make the world go in, make the market, the financial institution go into chaos. Like, oh, what's going on? This is chaos. Everybody in panic now, not knowing. They just let it run up just to have leverage to drop it. Real stuff, guys. Pay attention. So S&P 500 opens higher, looks to extend 4-day winning streak. The S&P 500 rose slightly Tuesday as the market remained resilient even after a spike in oil prices. The broader market index traded 0.1% higher, along with the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones. So let's go ahead and take a further look, guys, and see what's going on because as we know, man, things is getting crazy. I got another update to do with crypto later on because things is about to get interesting over there. So AMC, if we go ahead and take a look right here, guys, we know that they went on through with this BS reverse stock split that they, went on ahead and did with AMC is down over 22% on the day. We see it pop to $4.40. People probably bought in thinking, oh, it's about to run, it's about to run. Told you guys it'd come down to 350. If it break 350, it could go even lower. That was just to trap in even more people to have their frustration all over the place. Hold on, babe. I'm about to put them on. 1 second. So AMC 8 conversion settlement could lead to potentially massive 16 billion equity raise, says analysts. So once again, retail investors lose. Just another one for the books that retail came in and saved this company, and another slap in the face to them. Come in saving them with $16 billion in bread and equity. You know how important, how massive that is during these times right now that we're currently in? Okay, AMC 8 conversion settlement paves the way for a huge equity raise that could bring in as much as $16 billion. So the settlement, which was revealed as a filing on Monday, opens the way for AMC proposed conversion of AMC preferred equity units, or APE, into common stock alongside a 10-to-1 reverse stock split and the capacity to sell more shares. The move, which is part of the company's ongoing battle to eliminate debt, had faced court proceedings. So as we know, guys, another slap in the face to the retail investors. Like I told you guys, once they do the reverse stock split, the way you get your money back is buying puts. Not exactly when they do it, waiting for it to run a little bit, because obviously that's what I believe they're going to let happen, let it run a little bit before resetting and knocking it all the way back down to these low levels. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you.